flakes and all that. Okay, then we just got some white finesse worms. I'm trying to speed this up. Got some zoom, better than salt lizard, bullfrog. Some more finesse worms. Little brush hog. Final bag of soft plastics. He's got some big old fat worms. Okay, that's all my soft plastics. Now for the hard baits. At least I think I got some hard baits in here. Yeah, I got some in here. I got another little spook, white with an orange belly, by Cream, whatever you want to say it. Get these at the Walmart bargain bin for like 75 cents. A little fishing favorites, silver, thing. Another rattle trap. Little top water popper. Another popper. Another little popper. Another little minnow. Tiger red. Love tiger red. I just got a little pack of paddle tails. Some more curly tail grubs. Another blue-backed rattle trap. Little minnows by Little Joe Mighty Minnows. Another pack of Little Joe Mighty Minnows. There we go. That is most of my fishing gear. Some of it's other places, but thanks for watching. I'm gonna go, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe. What do you think about Donald Trump being the president? Put your opinion down in the comments. Don't argue, please.